Hi guys, today I am show you how to make a hotspot in your PC. So first copy this link and paste your browser, enter and download this. Click here and complete to download. Okay, and install this and click here to install. It's so fast and so easy. There is no connected here, and your hotspot name you can edit this, and here is this password, you can also edit this. Okay, now go to setting, click Wi-Fi, search. This is my old Wi-Fi, I forget this, and this is my PC faster. I make this and click here, and my password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and connected. Okay, connected. You can play anything. I connected this Wi-Fi. It's 100% proved. Guys, you can see on connected here, and timing is here, my phone, MAC address, IP address, all here is this, and my mobile used 5.2 MB total, and you can register your Wi-Fi and you can stop this Wi-Fi. So guys, thanks for watching and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.